Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, we have already learnt about the division of decimals by 10, 100 and 1000. In this lecture, we will learn about division of decimal fraction by whole number. Let us understand the division by taking some examples. Example 1. Divide 0.8 by 2. We have already learnt about how to divide a whole number by another whole number. The process of division of a decimal by a whole number is same as the process we have taken to divide a whole number by another whole number. Let us divide 0.8 by 2. First, we have to divide the integral part, then we have to divide the decimal part. First, divide the integral part. Here it is 0. 0 is less than 2, that's why we cannot divide. So, put here 0. 2 zeros are 0. Then subtract, it is 0. Then the decimal will come, that's why we have to put the decimal point in the quotient after the 0. Then divide 8 by 2. We have to see how many times 2 goes in 8. In 8, 2 goes 4 times because 2 4s are 8. First bring down 8 here. Then 2 4s are 8. Then subtract. The remainder is 0. So 0.8 division 2 equal to 0.4. Here 0.8 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor and 0.4 is the quotient. Then let us discuss another example. Divide 0.245 by 5. 0.245 is the dividend and 5 is the divisor. First divide the integral part. 5 zeros and 0. Then here is the decimal point in the dividend. Put the decimal point in the quotient. Then bring down 2. See how many times 5 goes into 2 is less than 5. We cannot divide. That's why put 0 here. 5 zeros and 0. Then subtract, it is 2. Then bring down 4. See how many times 5 goes in 24. 5 4s are 20. Then subtract, remainder is 4. Then bring down 5. 5 9 ja 5 45. Then subtract. The remainder is 0. So 0.245 division 5, the quotient is 0.049. Then let us take another example. Divide 1.92 by 25. 1.92 is the dividend and 25 is the divisor. Here in the integral part it is 1. 1 is less than 25. We cannot divide 1 by 25. That's why put 0 here in the quotient. 25 zeros are 0. Then the decimal point will come in the dividend. That's why put the decimal point in the quotient. Then bring down 9. 19 is less than 25. We cannot divide 19 by 25. That's why put 0 in the quotient. Then 25 zeros 0. Then subtract. The remainder is 19. Then bring down to 25 7 175. Then subtract 7. Then the remainder is 17. If we put any number of zeros in the dividend after the decimal point, the value of the decimal will not change. That's why put zeros after the 0 in the right side of the remainder till we will get the remainder 0. 25 6 jar 150. Then subtract. Then put 0 with 20. It is 200. Then 25 8 jar 200. And it is, the remainder is 0. So 1.92 division 25 equal to 0.